We're in Blackbrook today to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property with a garage, with parking on the driveway for up to 3 or 4 cars and a very large rear garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Pull the knives out my back for my own friends. I'm surrounded by light, and I have everything but nothing at all. Everything I touch turns to gold. Ooh, my heart is still wild. People crave to watch me fall. Everything I touch turns to gold. Ooh. It took some time to discover where to begin.
So if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord with your own rental property and you'd like an up-to-date rental valuation, please get in touch.
And peel back my skin.